What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in, guys. And today we're going to talk about Ramp DeFi. All right, guys, Ramp DeFi is fire. I remember when this first launched, I was just like, wow, this is so cool. Anyways, guys, in this video, I'm going to talk about why Ramp DeFi is fire. We've been doing a lot of DeFi videos, but guys, I really think you got to check this one out. You don't want to miss out on this one. This one is super awesome. Anyways, guys, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you smash with the like, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification. That way you guys are notified every time we make a new one. And when you guys do all that junk, you guys are automatically thrown into a drawing to earn $100 in free BTC, sponsored by, yours truly, guys. All right, anyways, guys, we're going to show you how to use Ramp DeFi and a couple of cool things. What I really like about this, guys, is the TVL is only 38 million. What does that mean? Well, that means not really many people are talking about this junk. Not many people are using it. Well, I'll add some liquidity for them today. So a couple of numbers. I'm going to break down each of the things so you guys can see it, so you understand what we're talking about. But we're on the Binance Smart Chain. I see this Polygon thing, and I'm like, oh, we got Polygon coming. But they got Polygon and they have Ethereum. They don't have a bunch of pools. They don't have any crazy pools, but they have some good pools. And you guys see all these different rewards like 153. Whoops, let's go ahead and detract that. 639, 80, 109%, 114. I mean, you guys are looking at them like, well, they're good, but they aren't that good. Well, you guys don't understand Ramp then. Because with Ramp, what you can do is you can deposit Ramp tokens, cake tokens, whatever. And when you deposit it, you can get a loan against it. You guys remember like that back and forth junk we were doing on Aave? Like, you know, where you're borrowing it, getting a loan, and then taking your loan, borrowing more, and repeating the process, guys. Well, we are going to do that here, guys. So we're going to show you how to do this now. First, we're going to deposit some cake. I love cake. Cake is like cake, fire. I love cake, man. You guys ever been to Publix and got their Publix cakes? Dude, the best way to eat that Publix cake is throw that sucker in the fridge for like 8 hours, 9 hours. Pull that cake out, slice it. That icing is like, I don't know. It's so good. All right, so we just approved the transaction. We're going to deposit that cake right now. Oh, also what's good in the freezer is, what are those things? Reese's peanut butter cups. Throw those in the freezer, man. Bro, that's fire. That's some good stuff. I don't know why we're talking about food right now. But anyways, so what happens is I have this cake deposited into this contract now. So it allows me to mint up to 50%. Well, the collateralization ratio is 200%. You don't want to like print all or do all of it or whatever. You know what I mean? Mint all of it because, yes, you can get liquidated pretty quick. And you guys got to keep in mind you're having a daily interest rate of 0.01%. That's going to play a factor big time. So that's not something that's like, oh yeah, this is cheap. You got to make sure you're making up the gains for it. So if you guys are kind of wondering what this daily rate is going to come out to, average, just call it 10%. It's probably going to be about 10%. So that's something you guys got to keep in mind. But we're going to go ahead and mint some RUSD. We're going to hit this approve and we going to get this done. We're going to waste some BNB doing this. What's your favorite candy bar, guys? Leave it in the comments in the description below. I know they got Snickers. They got Hershey's. Well, Hershey's is kind of boring. I say Snickers is pretty good. Reese's are good. I remember I got really sick eating those junks. But we are going to mint, not 40,000. How about 4,000? We'll provide some liquidity with that. We'll make it spicy. We'll do 5,000. Now we just minted 5,000. And what this means is if cake hits $6, we're basically going to be liquidated. So that's something to keep in mind, guys. You don't want to get that $6 price. That is basically D-Day. So right now, cake is sitting at, what, $17 a pop or something? Yeah, price 17.35. So now that we have our tokens, our whatever ramp tokens. Now, what do we do with these junks? Well, we don't have ramp. We have RUSD. Well, what the pants is this good for? Well, guys, look at these pools. You can use them for this junk. So I'll look at the RUSD, BUSD pool. So you guys can deposit it in here and go fire, man. It's good stuff. That's how you can earn extra ramp tokens. So why not? Let's throw it in there. So in order to swap our ramp tokens, I'm going to change the slippage, man. Jeez, what a rip. I'm going to do 0.05. Oh, yeah, gas fees are a little bit different. They aren't like Polygon. That's why I like Polygon, man. Polygon's so much better in my opinion, gas fee wise. But anyways, we're going to do this anyways because we just need to show you guys how it's done. All right, so we are going to turn some RUSD and into BUSD. So let's do 20. Nah, we'll do 2450. Nah, we'll just go ahead and print this. The reason why we aren't getting 1-to-1 is because you guys see this RUSD price. Yeah, we're kind of getting ripped off on it. So we're going to hit approve, hit confirm, and we are going to swap this junk. So now we'll say swap. Actually, we probably need to do 2540 or 2530. That'll give us just about closer. So now we'll say confirm. All right, so now you guys are watching all this junk and you're like, what the pants is this guy doing? It's okay. Calm down. I know what I'm doing. I got a brand new mic. All right, guys, if you haven't noticed, I also got a brand new mic as well. So hopefully you guys aren't complaining too much about it now. But hey, if you are, I don't blame you, man. I got it from Amazon. You got to do what you got to do, man. All right, so now the reason why I did that is because I'm going to provide stablecoin liquidity. I'm going to use the RUSD to BUSD vault. Now, how do I do this? Well, first I need to add liquidity. So now I'm going to say, all right, let's do the maximum amount of RUSD and the max amount for BUSD. So let's go ahead and hit add liquidity. So we're going to hit add, we're going to hit yeah, and we're going to hit swap. All right, so now we did all that junk. That's so cool. Now we just got these LP tokens. So now we hit add. So now we got to hit approve this contract. Dude, this thing is like ripping into our BNB, guys. This is why I like Polygon so much better. But hey, it is what it is. All right, so we just approved that. Now we're going to deposit the maximum amount of tokens. So we're going to hit deposit. We are going to earn 30% on this. So you guys can see the daily interest rate is going to be about 0.54%. So if you look on the other end, we are paying 0.07%. So basically we are profiting on top of this because this is just free money. This is just money we didn't even have. This is just money we got a loan on that we normally wouldn't be able to get. So like if you deposit in Cake or Pancake Bunny, you cannot get interest on, or you cannot move your stake tokens. So you're able to stake your tokens and get a loan on your tokens and earn interest on them. So like with the Ramp platform, this allows you to generate more yields than you normally would get. So it's pretty fire. So we're going to go ahead and deposit this and we'll show you guys a little more things on this platform. All right, so now we got our tokens staked and you guys can see now we're starting to earn some ramp rewards and let's see what happens. So guys, make sure you guys need to watch these pools. Also, another thing you guys can do is if you wanted to, you can go ahead and mint on this side and get another loan against this. This pool is full right now, so you can't do that. As you guys can see, it has this green bar, but any of the sections that allow you to withdraw more, you can obviously withdraw as much as you want. But guys, be aware when you're levering or getting a loan against a loan that you already have, you're basically just, it's a lot more risky. That's all you need to know. It's really risky because now you're having to have the compensation and the thoughts of, okay, you're having to pay this interest rate, and now you're also having to pay the additional interest rate on the additional tokens that you're borrowing. And there are such things as price fluctuation, guys. So when prices fluctuate like crazy, well, you're going to get roasted. So be careful with that. And if you guys ever want to repay any of your RUSD, you just say, hey, I want to repay all of this. Or you can say, hey, I'm done with this. What you'll have to do is you'll have to withdraw your LP tokens if you did this. And on this liquidity section, you're going to have to remove liquidity. So when you do this, it'll have your LP tokens and you'll be able to swap them out for BUSD and RUSD. So obviously when your tokens pull up, it'll have a button that'll say remove liquidity. If If you guys look back in the video, you'll be able to see that. Also, another cool feature with this is that you have, if you guys have ramp tokens, and if you're using this platform, you are going to get some ramp tokens. You can transfer ramp from BEP20 to ERC20, or you can go from ETH to Polygon. So there's different things you guys can use. I'm pretty excited to see what they bring to Polygon. It says they have Polygon here, but it is grayed out. So I don't know, maybe they're just building on it right now. So we'll see what happens. But anyways, guys, that's Ramp DeFi in a nutshell. That's just a quick yield farming strategy you guys can use with it. So instead of just staking Cake just straight on the Cake protocol or Cake platform, instead of just earning the measly 123%, you can actually earn 127%, and you can get an additional 30% by taking the amount of tokens that you have staked in the platform and getting a loan against it and using the RUSD BUSD pool. Or if you want to get a little more risky, you can use a couple of the other stablecoin pools. All you have to do is you have to swap the RUSD for BUSD, and then all you got to do is come over on PancakeSwap and swap your tokens. So like right now, if I wanted to, I can go ahead and swap my tokens out for some BNB or whatever I wanted. You can also use 1inch to get the best prices as well. Anyways, guys, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you smash out the like, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification. That way you guys are notified every time we make a new one. When you guys do all three of those things, make sure you do the fourth one. Leave a comment below saying you subscribe. You'll automatically get thrown into a drawing to earn $100 in free BTC. All right, guys, Proverbs chapter 25 verses 18. Like a club or a sword or a sharp arrow is one who gives false testimony against a neighbor. Yeah, I guess it's something to keep in mind, guys. Clubs and swords are dangerous. So are false testimonies. By the way, dogs, if you guys want to check me on TikTok, you guys can check me out on TikTok. I do daily wisdom one-liners there as well. I'll put a TikTok handle in the link in the description below. I think that's what it's called. That video. All right, guys, if you guys want to get some free BTC, here is the quadruple threat. Guys, there's a link in the description below. You can sign up for Celsius. You get $40 in free BTC. I get $40 in free BTC. It is a win-win. And if you enter in any of these codes, this is for a limited time, you will get an additional bonus of BTC, guys. You cannot beat that. The next in the quadruple threat is Voyager. Guys, when you sign up for Voyager, deposit $100, you will get $25 in free BTC. Need I say more? Probably not. The next one is BlockFi. This is also in the link in the description below. Deposit $100 and you also get $25 in free BTC. In both for BlockFi and for Celsius, you will be earning interest on the money you deposit and interest on the money you receive in the bonus, as in the BTC. And the final one that's in the link in the description below of the quadruple threat is crypto.com. Guys, when you get or reserve the metalcrypto.com Visa card, which is the Ruby one and up, you will get $25 USD paid in CRO. Guys, you got to check out these bonuses. Lots of fun. Thanks for tuning in.